Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How have you guys been? Today's video we're gonna be making grilled fish. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I prepared my grilled catfish. Yes, we know that catfish can be used in making pepper soup, and this is another way you can eat your catfish. Okay, so firstly I'm starting by washing thoroughly. You guys know how catfish come. They can be very slimy and very dirty, plus you never know, they could be carrying one or two mercury poisoning or whatever. So I advise that you wash it as much as you can. So after doing a thorough washing, even washing with salt and scrubbing the back, I go in to start spicing my catfish, and I'm gonna put a list of the spices that I used for this process. So here I sectioned my catfish into 3 portions, and I just started by spicing the first portion, then after which I'll add the next portion, add the next spices, and then work everything in with my hands. Now the reason I'm doing this is you want to make sure that every single part of the fish gets equal amount of spices, and that it really marinates or soaks into the fish, so that no part of the fish is left unseasoned. So this is the second part I have turned into the bowl, and I'm trying to mix it properly with my hands before I add the last portion. Here now I'm adding the last portion of the fish, so that I can repeat the same process. Just go in with my salt and my curry and my seasoning cubes, seasoning powder, and just try to work everything in like I said before. And lest I forget, while this process is going on, make sure you're preheating your oven. Like I am gonna be using my oven. I normally use either my oven or my air fryer, but I've had issues with light, so I decided to use my gas oven. And while this process is going on in the background, I have started preheating my oven so that it makes everything seamless once it's ready to go into the oven. Here I'm just giving it a very good mix to make sure everything gets distributed evenly. All the process of trying to get the juices into every single nook and cranny. As you can see, this is my oven. It's already really hot because I switched it on a while back. And next I start adding in my fish and try to arrange them in ways that each of them will allow the other to cook properly. And there you have it. This is what the finished product looks like. Voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care.